Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. That's here I want to introduce my member group first before we go to the slide topic. First, Nur Khairunisa binti Muhammad Rosli. Next, Nurul Rafika binti Kamaruzzaman. Siti Nur Fatimah binti Abdul Rashid. Nur Elisa Husna binti Muhammad Roslan. Siti Farhatun Najwa binti Zulkifli. Nabiha Salihah binti Abdul Malik. Siti Nur Aisyah binti Muhammad Syafi. Elas Nurhana binti Yusuf.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Nur Khairunisa binti Muhammad Rosli, number matric 1192736. Generally, 7 March 2020, Edward D. Bono defined proactive thinking as that focus in which you don't limit yourself to just letting things happen, but when you let yourself be an active agent in your own destiny, always ready for what can happen. Proactive thinking, and therefore the use of such a thing in the act of anticipating event. Proactive thinkers situate themselves and their respective to in the future.
Hi, my name is Nabiha Salihah binti Abdul Malik, matric number 1191683. Definition of proactive thinking style is the way of thinking that lead one person to act in advance of future situation rather than just reacting. It means taking control and making things happen rather than just adjusting to a situation or waiting for something to happen. Proactive thinker also will mostly like to analyze every consequences of their action before doing something.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Rafika binti Kamaruzzaman. My matric number 1192732. What is the purpose of proactive thinking style? The purpose of proactive thinking style is to enhance feelings of self-worth and give the confidence to make decisions that will eliminate future stress, invite more positive attitude, and make more successful, compared to a passive person that limits himself only to reacting to things that are happening at the moment in life.
My name is Siti Farhatun Najwa binti Zulkifli, matric number 1191687. Next, question number 3. The question is how to practice proactive thinking. Is there any step? Proactive thinking is a thinking that applies in a logical way of thinking. Okay, first, take responsibility for your own actions and choose to think before acting. For example, if you want to do something, you will think about the consequence first rather than the fun in doing that. Then, focus on the things that you can change and not worry about the things that you cannot change. For example, you cannot change what will happen in the future, such as death. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Siti Nur Fatimah binti Abdul Rashid. My matrix number 1191684. The benefit of proactive thinking style is be prepared. Considering the future today is the best way to avoid chaos tomorrow. Secondly, save time and money. Trying to solve a problem after the fact is almost always more wasteful of company resources. 3. Identify new innovation. 4. Allow for flexibility. 5. Better internal understanding. And the last one is road mapping the future.
My name is Nur Elisa Husna binti Muhammad Roslan. My matric number is 1191682. How does proactive thinking style can help us to solve or understanding the COVID-19? The first point is thinking the effect of pandemic to the future and they have the plan to ensure their continuity of life. Obey the rules and regulations that set by the government. Next point is find the other sources of income to support the expenses of their daily life. The last point is there is a possibility to end the pandemic of COVID-19 if there are many people practicing proactive thinking style. That's all from me.
Hello, my name is Siti Aisyah binti Muhammad Syafi'i. My matric number is 1191694. In conclusion, proactive thinking style is the one of the Western thinking style. Proactive thinking style is the way of thinking that leads wants to act in advance of future situation rather than just reacting. So, proactive thinking style is very useful for the person in this era to overcome their problems. That's all from me. Thank you.